It's the bar for me. It's the bar for me. Yeah. What's up, y'all? It's Tiara. Welcome back to my channel.
Queen shit, bitch.
So today I'm just gonna be letting you guys in on some of my wig must-haves, like the staple items that I just have to have when I install my wigs. I'm gonna be showing you guys today. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we're gonna get right into it. So I don't think I'm gonna go in any particular order. So of course, a main item that you need when you are installing a wig is your adhesive, your wig glue. Of course you need wig glue because how else is it gonna melt? How else is it gonna be secure to your head? You know what I mean? So yeah, you gotta have your lace glue. It just depends on what your preference is, which glue you want to use. I don't have a real preference, but this is just the glue that I've been using. Next thing I'll say that I just must have when I am installing a wig is my ORS wig grip gel. This like replaces the Got2b gel. Y'all know everybody use that Got2b gel, but I really like this a lot better. I use this to mold my cap down, my wig cap, as well as the spray that comes with it. And I got these online. I put this on the wig cap and then I spray this and then I blow dry. Of course you need a cap. The next thing I'll say is my elastic band. This is like mandatory, like you have to have an elastic band to melt. After you secure the wig with your lace glue and everything, you need your elastic band so it can like really set in place. And I get these from the beauty supply store, and it's just like a roll of them, like a roll, and then you just cut it for how long you want it. Yeah. Gotta have your elastic band, girl. The next thing I say is my edge brush. I love these edge brushes because they have a comb here, a comb here. I use this little piece to apply my glue. It's like a spatula type thing. So I use that to apply the glue, and then it has a brush too for the edges. So yeah, and I used every part of this tool here. So yeah, find you an edge brush like this. Like this is mandatory in my wig essential bag. Of course you need makeup, or like whatever you prefer to use. I know some people use lace tint. I like lace tint too. Yeah, it's usually makeup. So I just got these Ruby Kisses makeup duos, and you just pick a color, girl, and use your beauty blender. And of course you need some skin protectant. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't always use this because sometimes I'll be in a rush and I just don't remember to pick up my protectant, like the actual protectant. I'll put like some witch hazel or alcohol or something to clean the skin, but I won't actually pick up my skin protect, which I need to. I don't feel like that's just mandatory, so maybe scratch that, but you do need to do something like prep before you install your wig. Some type of prep, mandatory. Mini scissors. These mini scissors right here, lifesaver. I love these scissors so much. I would probably cry if I lost them. I think I have 2 pair, but yeah, that's why, because you gotta have them. You gotta have them, okay? Y'all be seeing I use these scissors for like almost everything. Okay, yeah, like I was saying, gotta have mini scissors, okay? If you don't have none, make sure you get some after this video. I got like a whole bag. Hairspray. And I don't feel like it really matters what hairspray you use, but as long as it's a pretty good hold. I use this to melt my lace. I use this to hold my curls. I use this to make it shiny. Like if my hair is looking dull, just a little spray, you know. Hairspray is a must-have. You gotta have some hairspray. I use the Sebastian Shaper Plus. Depending on what style you're doing, you're gonna need some tools. you're gonna need some tools. So if you're doing curls, curling iron. Gotta have a curling iron, okay? I love this curling iron. I love all my tools, honestly. Like, those are like my babies. Like, I just really cherish my equipment for my hair because like, they really be helping me, you know what I'm saying, in my time of need. Like, yeah. So curling iron, yes. Hot comb, absolutely. If you want that wig to be flat, yeah, flat, like flat. You gotta have your hot comb, okay? You don't gotta be this little fancy hot comb. You don't need none of these fancy tools that I got here because I got some fancy tools. But just like a hot comb, they got them at the beauty supply store. Get you a hot comb for like $20. This is a really good hot comb though. If you want it, it's the what is it? I can't even think of what it is now. But it got a K on it, so the girl name starts with a K. But yeah, hot comb, flat iron, gotta have a flat iron. And a good one, I would suggest like a good flat iron. The other two things, like they don't just have to be like all that, but you need a good flat iron, like they get pretty hot so you can, you know, so it can straighten really good. I like the Babyliss flat iron. Next to that, I would say wax stick. You gotta have the wax to put on top of the hair once you're, you know, ready to style it and everything. Get those flyaways, make sure they're all laid down and in place because we don't want a whole lot of flyaways. Like, I just really, that's like low-key a pet peeve for me, like a whole lot of flyaways. Like, you gotta go, you need to lay down because no. I use the 24-hour edge tamer. I'm not picky about my wax stick either. I feel like they all do the same low-key. Like if it does what it's supposed to do, then that's good enough for me. But it's just the one I use, and you just put it on there, grab your hot comb it, and girl, you ready to go. Like, you ready to go. Like, that's it. Other necessities, I would say, I actually left mine at the shop, but like a mini flat iron if you want to curl your edges to do those really cute fluffy baby hair, that would be good to have. I forgot, actually, I honestly can't find it right now, but a razor. You gotta have a razor to cut the lace, whether it's before you install or after. You need a razor so you can get the jagged line. You don't want a straight across line when you are installing your wig, because you'll be able to tell that it's a wig and you did not cut it properly. So yeah, gotta have a razor. I think that's it. Like, I covered about everything you need for a good install. So yeah, make sure you guys check these items out. I have links to like some of the things that I ordered online or that you can order online. I'll go ahead and put the links for those things. But yeah, that's all that's in my wig essential bag. And of course I use other stuff like mousse and like all these other things, but they're not like must-have. Like them mini scissors. I forgot to mention, you guys, this wig that I have on my head today, it's the same wig from my last video that I just uploaded, the Amazon Prime wig. Yes, y'all, this is the same exact wig. All I did was cut it, blunt cut, or I got it cut, and girl, I straightened it, reinstalled it. Yeah, that's what I'm telling y'all. Go on Amazon, like, for real, find you a wig on Amazon for the low. Like, they don't all be bad. Well, at least that's what I was thinking. Before I had got my first Amazon wig, girl, I was like, Amazon? Why would I want a wig from Amazon? Like, no, I can't do nothing with that. But actually, I can. Like, look, too far. Unless I'm just that far, I don't know. You know, y'all know I could finesse a wig. But for real, like I said, if you have these items here, you can achieve this look. It's not that hard. I show y'all all the time how I install my wigs, what I do, and now I'm showing y'all the exact tools that I use. So yes, y'all can do this, like, for real, at home. Get you an Amazon wig and follow my tips. Cause I got y'all, okay? I got y'all. It's the vibe for me. It's the vibe for me. Yeah, I really just be having so much fun with these videos. Let me know if y'all are enjoying my content and like the quality and everything. You know, if I need to change or do something else, let me know. But yes, I've just really been having fun. I'm trying to think if I'm gonna vlog today. It's actually pretty nice outside. It feels so good. That's why I barely have anything on my arms. I do got something on. It's just an off-the-shoulder dress. I'm actually about to go to church, but yeah, I probably am gonna vlog just because I like to vlog. Like, I like to sit down videos with y'all, you know, kicking it, chatting, but I really do like vlogging. So let me know if you guys like my vlogs also, or you just prefer me to sit here and let y'all know what's going on. So yeah, but yeah, y'all, I gotta go. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got some tips and like some products that you might need to add to your wig essential bag. Make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.